Do you own a e34 and you're having a damn problem of when you take the door panel off, these things keep falling off? Well, previously somebody hot glued these. I'm a fan of hot glue. I use hot glue all the time. But this is the one that goes here that fell off. So this is my remedy for that. First time trying it out. Some of this Bob Smith Industry Max Cure. Let's be generous. Big bottle. And get some of this. They sell different ones, but it's the one I got. Put some on there. Be nice. Put some free ones. Then post it up right there. Shit. Put some pressure on it. A little bit of pressure on her. This thing dries quick. Trust me. Okay. Done. Let me try some of this too.